didn't show you guys my completed drawer. So here I store all my blushes, my smaller eyeshadow palettes, some loose ones that couldn't fit in. And on this side, I have my bigger palettes. I got all these acrylic things from Taobao actually, but I do not recommend them. I mean, they broke like literally on the first day it came. These are my Etude palettes. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Last night I went to squeeze my pimple. I always have a problem with pigmentation, post-inflammatory pigmentation after an acne is being popped, especially when I do it myself. So I'm just gonna show you guys what are some of the products I use to try to heal and fade all these things away. Don't use things that are extremely harsh, and make sure that you know the skin around it is healed first before you try to treat the pigmentation. At least for today, I'm just gonna heal it first because it was just popped yesterday. Can you hear Ash outside? He's damn noisy. He just wants to go into my parents-in-law's. So for now, I'm avoiding the pimple because it's still an open wound. I don't want to irritate it. You want to apply sunscreen on this because it's going to get darker if you don't. Last but not the least, pimple patch. I mentioned I was using this one, Hatherine. Honestly, it's just pretty normal, and unfortunately you can't really get it in Singapore anyway. So I'm just gonna take the round one. Yeah. Some lip balm. Excited to try this! I have been eyeing on the C-Firma Petal 55 brush for the longest time, and I got it in the limited edition Onitsuka Tiger collaboration. So I actually went to buy the dupe from Etude. I don't really know if it's gonna be exactly the same, I'll let you guys know, but from the looks of it and the feels of it, it does feel slightly different. Like the brushes feel a lot softer, but you know, the price difference is huge. Okay, right off the bat, there's quite a lot of tugging actually. Maybe I shouldn't go so hard. I should just do like very light. Oh, it does do the job very fast, and it has thinned out the foundation a lot. I like it. And I don't think it's the same as the Etude House one. And the finish it gives is kind of in between a brush and like a beauty blender sponge. Like you don't get that brush streaks at all. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. No! Oh no! No, I'm gonna stain the bed sheets. This is terrible. Matthias to the rescue. What are you gonna do? Yeah, you cannot like... No, take care of the bed sheet first, baby.
No, get out of the way first.
Huh?
You get out of the way.
Okay, so I'm just gonna jump off. Wait! Wait! Okay. I think I should use a hairdryer to like blow it off. So yesterday I made a trip down to WeWork because Yen E, a follower, told me that she sent me something, and she actually sent me her Dyson hairdryer stand because she saw that I didn't have one. I tell you, my heart. I really don't know. I really don't know what I did to deserve you guys. So just want to say shout out to you, Yen E. I love you. Thank you. I can just put it on. Tan tan! And it's sitting next to my Corel. So today we are doing some interviews for our next intern. I really don't know if this is a very good time to be hiring, but my 2 interns are leaving because they're going to university, so I'm very sad, and I just thought like maybe a new addition to the team would be great since now 2 of them are leaving. Yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll find someone in today's session. I'm such an idiot because I went to charge my camera, but I totally forgot. I was vlogging the whole of today and I forgot to take out my camera. I'm so sorry. But anyway, nothing much really happened. Did 4 interviews today, which went really well. Also had a meeting. We had really good dinner tonight. We had jumbo seafood and we ordered the Father's Day set. So that was actually really nice. Right now, it's almost time for bed. I am currently on a hunt for a new Korean drama to watch. So comment down below what you think I should watch next, because I just finished The King, and let me know some of the good Korean dramas. I don't mind even if they are old, as long as they're good. Personally, a fan of romance, and I really like obviously good looking actors. So yeah, I really trust your recommendation. A lot of my favorite things, favorite food, favorite shows, favorite things to try actually all came from you guys. So I'm extremely thankful and I trust y'all a lot. So pimple update. It's mostly healed. It's left with some sort of redness, and if I don't take care of it properly, it's gonna darken and eventually it's gonna be permanent and it will be seen as kind of like a scar, and I really don't want that lah. So thought I should share with you guys how to deal with such a problem. It's really good to incorporate products that actually have ingredients like niacinamide, and tonight I'm gonna be using this one from Sigi Skin. So those of you who don't know, Sigi Skin is actually a local skincare brand. They are extremely young, but their products are all really good and very pretty. This one is their latest Dream Capsule Overnight Mask. So it comes in this purple bottle like this, and then the overnight mask is purple in color. Don't know if you guys can see, but it's like kind of lavender-ish. Texture is actually pretty much just like a normal moisturizer. It's quite hydrating on the skin, but very importantly, it contains bakuchiol, niacinamide, purslane, as well as squalane, and all these 4 ingredients are really good when it comes to antioxidants, when it comes to getting rid of dull skin. So it really helps to brighten your skin, feed it with all of the goodness so that you wake up nice and bright the next morning. So this is an antioxidant smoothie that helps you repair your skin and revitalize it as you sleep, and does all of the heavy lifting for you, so you don't actually have to spend so much time and effort on your skincare. And the next morning, your skin will be really nice and bright. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning. Let's open the window. 좋은 아침 여러분. So I just want to show y'all after using the Sigi Skin Dream Capsule. Look at my skin. Wow, really like it. And I think the good thing is I don't wake up with like any dryness or like oiliness. I mean, it just feels like my skin has been so nicely hydrated, and it's plump and it's bouncy. I think my vertigo is back. I don't know what's happening to me lately, but I don't know. Been feeling quite dizzy. But I do have a history of vertigo and they come and go quite often, so I'm not too worried. Trying out my bird's nest. So I've never actually had the privilege, I would say, because it's very privileged to have bird's nest for breakfast. So there's 3 tablespoons the first thing in the morning. Say, can you help me? My tablespoon is too big. I guess I'm too greedy. Let me get another spoon. Maybe this one will fit. Measure first. I think it fits. Okay, let's go in. Ooh, it does. So today I plan to do some filming, but before that I have some planning to do to make sure I don't miss out anything. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. You guys are having a productive day. Further outwards, we're having this huge bajang. This is like from Pan Pacific. Of course, this is nohyang that was made by my dad, and more bajang. Today has been such a busy day. I'm sorry if I haven't been vlogging a lot. But anyway, I just shot something for the Dyson Corel, and I I am loving it. I know I mentioned that I'm not sponsored by Dyson in my YouTube video. At the point in time, I really wasn't. They just loaned me the machine and asked me if I wanted to be the first few to try it out, but I had to return the machine after. And I just thought, like, you know, I really love Dyson and I know that you guys would probably find this useful, so I decided to just do a video, and it was really my honest review. And they saw the video and they were like, you know, we know that you really like the product, so can we just send you one? And I was like, obviously yes, right? So yeah, in order for me to get this baby, I have to do some content for them in exchange for this as well. So yeah, those that you're gonna be seeing on my Instagram will kind of be sponsored. I just thought I should be transparent with you guys, but I do really love the product. So yeah, this is my hair now. It's extremely shiny. Like when I move, you can see the glare. It's like... Also love my earrings. These are from Pomelo. I'm wearing Wendy's Plastic Cosmetics lashes today. I cut them up into 3 parts, so that's why they look kind of weird, but because I don't really like it when the lashes are way too long and too big for me, so cutting them into 2 to 3 parts can actually allow you to kind of place them in a way that is a little bit more natural. I'm going to remove one to show y'all. Snack time. What should I have today? We are going on an excursion. Nothing much, just going downstairs to pick up a parcel. I'm absolutely overdressed, but that's because I was filming. So Singapore just announced the phase 2 of circuit breaker, and honestly I feel a bit bittersweet lah, because like it's a bit rushed. It's about time. You know, I think the entire circuit breaker of like almost 3 months, I only stepped out of the house like 3 times, and out of these 3 times I think I got out of the car twice just to look at the view, and then we went home. Got my parcel. This is what I'm having for supper. One of my favorite cheesecakes from Japan. Just gonna finish it. Chan-chan. One of the hardest things to do when you're wearing a mask is try to fit food without touching the mask. So let's see if I can do that. I said my vlogs are getting weirder. I'm sorry guys. This is what happens when you stay at home for too long. Today we are having katong laksa. Woohoo! And it's the 3 to 8 katong laksa. Eating laksa with a spoon, so that you get all the gravy as well. Done working out. Today's workout was actually pretty good because I didn't work out for the past 3 days, so I feel like my muscles are feeling a little bit better today. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the first vlog. I'm gonna have a second vlog which I decided to cut because it's getting extremely long. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye!